This video does not encourage any kind of atheism. Misconceptions about the video can be misunderstood if the full video is not understood. However, the Bangla version of the video will be out soon. The source of all types of video information is given in the description box.
When scientists discovered DNA, it was then found that about 96 to 98% of our body's DNA is non-coding, meaning that they do not provide any information on proteins. All DNA except 2 to 4% DNA is non-coding. These were then named as junk DNA. The word junk means rubbish. That means 98% of this DNA is said to have no function. These are called discarded DNA or junk DNA. Evolutionary atheists jumped for joy after discovering it. They spread the word that 98% of the DNA in our bodies is junk. This 98% DNA is a great proof of Darwin's evolution. They say that this huge amount of DNA remains in our bodies as we transform from one species to another through mutations. If an intelligent creator had created us, he would not have kept this huge amount of useless, unnecessary DNA in our body. But without the hand of any intelligent being, in the blind process of nature we have evolved from one animal to another. Unnecessary, useless DNA still exists in our body. The famous evolutionary biologist Richard Dawkins, the sensei of evolutionists, wrote a book claiming that this junk DNA was a great proof for evolution. The name of the book is The Selfish Gene. But science is no longer sitting on that junk DNA. Epigenetics research is currently proving that DNA which has been used as evidence for evolution, none of that happened to be junk. They have various biochemical functions in our body. What atheist evolutionists have so far hailed as useless, invalid, unnecessary evidence for evolution, and recent research has shown that these DNAs are useless at all, or that they have various functions in the human body. Atheists have said that useless, non-functional DNA is left in the body because man has evolved from another animal in the blind process of nature. If a creator had specifically created man, then such unnecessary things would not exist in our bodies. But now it turns out that these DNAs are not non-functional at all. They have many functions in our body. So what do evolutionists say now? They said so. Unnecessary, these are evidence for evolution. But when they see it, will they say the same thing? Will Dawkins correct the book The Selfish Gene? Will evolutionists apologize for their mistakes?